Hello guys, my name is Sinay BB, so welcome to my channel, and yes, welcome back again. It's been a long time, but I'm happy to be here again to share to you my new video. Yes, a new video, a new bag. And no further ado, bag of the week. So I'm gonna use my pre-love bag Balenciaga. I bought it from the Yes page. So yeah, she's cute, she's adorable. I'm gonna use it now while there is still summer and there's still sun, because few months winter is coming back. So yes, this is my bag of this Saturday. So this is what inside my bag. It's not a lot, but it can accommodate a lot of things, and mostly the things that I always brings with me. Yes, so I want to share to you my new video, and I'm happy to with this one because when we went to Toronto, we got a small vacation. So we passed through an outlets mall in Toronto. So I got this. Actually, I'm looking for something in Gucci because I'm looking for a blue bag in Gucci shop, but they don't have the one that I saw that I want to have and to add it into my collection. So we decided, okay, let's go to Prada because I'm still looking for one bag for Prada that I know that I will use it every day, and I don't have really a Prada bag. So yes, it's a Prada bag. So we got this from Outlet Mall Prada in Toronto. So yes, I'm gonna share it to you what it is. I just noticed that I don't know if it's because it's in Outlet Mall, it's not in retail. So their paper bag is kind of not super. I'm not happy with the quality of the paper bag. Not the same as the one that I bought from the retail. It was really a silk dust bag. So not paper bag, dust bag. So I don't know. So well, disregard. Never mind. The important is the bag. So I got this bag. This is kind of camera bag. So I got this camera bag in Outlet Mall in Toronto. This is Prada Milano in this blue leather, kind of pebbled. So it's a soft camera bag with two zipper on it. Really soft, guys. Look, soft. And this is with a strap, but with a tassel under the zipper. But this is, you can remove it and change it if you want to. So this is my Prada bag. And like I'm saying, guys, this is, like a Marc and Jacob style. But this is in a soft version. So we just remove the paper bag. So this is what it looks like inside. It's kind of nylon style inside with the Prada logo there. So Prada Milano. So nylon with the Prada logo there. And yes, super black, only black interior, nothing special in it, but they're really soft, guys. It's really a soft leather. As you can see, it's really a soft leather. So it's really black, no pocket in the interior, really nothing. It's just an open space, and you can directly put your things on it. So this is the Prada bag that I got. I don't know if they have the name in here, but we can check. Just want to make sure. So this is the authenticated card. So this is Vitello Phoenix Bluette. So that's the material, Vitello Phoenix Bluette. But I really don't know the name of this camera bag of Prada, but it was there. So that's the name, Bandoliera Vitello Phoenix. This is what on the bag. Okay, what can we fit in the bag? So we got straight what can we fit. Like I'm saying, guys, this is a soft leather and there's a big space on it that you can put. So I have my things with me. I have my compact wallet, bifold, candies, tissues. So let's just put everything there. My my reading glasses. So this is what fits in already there inside the bag. Okay, we'll just place it properly. I have my pochette accessoire. So I'll just put it in the other side of the bag. So it fits there also. And there's still big space, guys. It's really big space. So, and I'm using right now my phone. So I'm putting this casing. So this, what can you put? And there's still space, guys, if you want to add something else. And this is still what inside. So this how is it goes. So this is like that. I already adjusted the strap on the one that based on my height and my body frame. So yes, this is it, guys. Like I'm saying, guys, if you have other strap, this is removable, so you can use your guitar strap, chain strap, or any strap that you like. But this is the original strap of the Prada. So like that. Isn't it cute? Yeah, I'm happy to add her in my collection, since like I'm saying, guys, I don't have Prada bag in my collection. So it's really nice. It's big, and you know, winter, summer, rainy season, good bag. Leather bag, guys. How much it is? Well, we'll see. Let's see on the price. Okay, so this is the receipt that we have. This is from Prada. This is in Toronto, Stiles Avenue West. So Prada, Toronto. And this is $1,774.10. So $1,774, guys. This is the cost of the bag. Already with the tax. It's included with the tax. So yes, if you're looking for a Prada bag like this, they have other color, but you know me, you know I like blue, so I'll go with the blue. So yeah, if you want to go to Toronto, go to the outlet mall Toronto. They have Gucci and Toronto. They have other brands, Versace, they have it also. So just go there if you're decided. They have a Prada outlet in Toronto, and Gucci in Toronto as well. So you don't need to go into retail if you don't want to, but at least you can go to the outlet. And it's nice bag, guys. If you like it, the quantity that you can put, it's a lot, and it's a good bag. It's a big bag. Plus there's a shoulder padding that will help you. So, and it's in a gold hardware. So that's it, guys. Happy to share it with you, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. And like I'm saying, if you like to check Prada Outlet Mall, I don't know really where in Toronto. It's just written Prada Canada Corporation, Toronto, Ontario. So that's it. So thank you for watching. Be safe. Enjoy your month, and take care always. Be safe. God bless. Signing up. Sinai BB. Bye, guys.